Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. You guys seemed to like the pipe bending video yesterday, so I'm going to do another one here with this little piece that was in the garbage can. So basically, this is 1/2 inch, and I'm just going to pick a random spot to bend it on near the end. So I'm just going to put a mark right here just so you can see it. If you bend the pipe at the very end, that's called a stub 90. I'm not going to do that today, just to give you some more information on how to do some bending. So I'm going to grab my bender here and then try to record at the same time, but basically you're going to want to stick this mark that I made where you would 90 at. So you're going to want to stick that line with this line, aka on the arrow. There's an arrow on both sides. Sorry, this is really bad. Anyways, there's an arrow on both sides, I believe, if not on one side. And there's also a line, so you line that up. So basically, if you want like a 6-inch 90, you have to minus 5 inches, because when you bend it, it adds 5 inches. You'll see here in a second what I'm talking about. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the ground real quick and show you how to do it. Go ahead and flip it over. There's the other arrow right there. So you're just gonna wanna put your foot on there and basically use foot pressure and pull on the bender, and also keep your foot on the bender. You want to keep constant pressure on here. It's not too bad with 1/2 inch, but with 3/4 or 1 inch it can kink. With 1 inch you'd have to keep a lot of pressure on there not to kink it, but basically you're just going to want to pull up on it at the same time. It's pretty easy for 1/2 inch. You can switch foot, whatever is comfortable for you. Doing a few different ways here. This is a really short piece of pipe, but basically you're going to go down to the 90 mark on the bender. But basically, I've never done that. Basically, you just eyeball it to where it's straight up and down. You can also use this mark, which I just recently learned. If this mark lines up directly with that mark, you know that you're done. So it looks like I'm not quite there yet. So I'm just going to add a little bit more, kind of eyeball it again, pretty close, a little bit more. Now you can see it's pretty lined up, but the thing that you can always do is if you overbend it or underbend it, you can add a little bit more by sticking the pipe bender over it and just pulling it either direction. It's easier when the piece is taller, but this is a really short piece. So I'm gonna grab my level, which I already put away. So the easiest way to tell if you're at a full 90 is either eyeball it. Really know how to use a bender, but the best way is to just stick your level on there. And as you can see, I'm not in the middle of the bubble yet, so I do need to add a little bit more. So we'll go ahead and do that real quick. So just stick it back on your mark. If you need to add more, just put it right back on your mark where you were previously at. Go ahead and add your bend some more. And then you're gonna want to check it again. So just stick your level back on there. As you can see, it's getting closer. I need a little bit more, but you get the idea. Actually not close, but anyways, you need to add a little bit more, but that's how you do that. Some little pipe bending information for you, so hopefully that helps you out for those who don't know how to do it or just really new to it. 1/2 inch is the easiest and the most pliable. Just gonna add a little bit more here. I feel like that should be it. Try to get this done in the video for you guys. So almost a little overbent, so now you can just basically stand on it and push it back. The taller it is, the easier it is, but just stick this over here, push on it a little bit, and check it again. So that should pretty much be it. Pretty close right there. So anyways, that's how you bend a 90, one of the easiest, or one of the most used bends and easiest, at least for 1/2 inch and 3/4 or 1 inches. Harder and it kinks if if you don't know what you're doing or if you don't keep constant pressure on it. But anyways, hopefully this helped you. Hopefully you enjoyed, and hopefully I'll have some other stuff for you guys coming up soon. And that should do it for today's video. Let me know what you think. If you want to see some more bending videos, let me know. Check the description, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.